On July 16, 1945, in the New Mexico desert, the United States conducts the first ever detonation of a nuclear weapon. But why was this nuclear weapon developed in the first place? And was the test considered successful? This first nuclear detonation, known as the Trinity test, was part of the Manhattan Project, the effort led by American physicist J. Robert Oppenheimer to build the world's first atomic bombs. The Manhattan Project had gotten its start when famed physicist Albert Einstein sent a letter pushing for it to US President Franklin Roosevelt back in 1939. This top-secret research and development program was implemented during World War II in hopes of beating Nazi Germany to the bomb. The US-led project eventually employed over 130,000 people and cost approximately $2 billion. A few hours after the successful Trinity test, the USS Indianapolis departed San Francisco en route first to Pearl Harbor and then to the Pacific island of Tinian. The ship carried the enriched uranium and components needed to assemble Little Boy, the code name for the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, Japan on August 6, 1945. The world would never be the same. Here are other events that happened today in history. In 1661, a Swedish bank prints Europe's first banknotes, beginning the continent's use of paper money. In 1769, Spanish Franciscans established San Diego de Alcala, the first Catholic mission in California. In 1790, U.S. President Washington signs the Residence Act, establishing a national capital site on the Potomac. In 1918, Tsar Nicholas II and his wife and children are executed by Bolshevik revolutionaries in Russia. In 1941, Joe DiMaggio establishes a still unbroken record by getting a hit in his 56th consecutive game. In 1951, 31-year-old J.D. Salinger publishes The Catcher in the Rye, one of America's greatest novels. In 1999, John F. Kennedy Jr. is killed when he crashes into the Atlantic Ocean near Martha's Vineyard. And now it's time for our Today in History quiz. What was the eventual fate of the RMS Carpathia, the ship which rescued 705 survivors of the Titanic? Sunk by a U-boat during World War I? Shipwrecked off Long Island in a storm? Scrapped in Belfast after engine failure? Or disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle? Liked learning about the Trinity test? Then you'll enjoy this one about the tragic fate of the USS Indianapolis, the ship that carried the components of the atomic bomb, Little Boy. Tap the screen to keep the story going on Today in History.